Mowing operation. The mowing command can be confirmed by pressing the Start button in the app or by pressing the Start button on Goat and then pressing OK. When receiving a mowing command, Goat automatically cleans camera and starts mowing. If mowing needs to be stopped during operation, press the Pause button in the app. To resume mowing, press the Resume button in the app. You can also press Stop on Goat to pause mowing. Once pressed, you'll need to enter the PIN code on the control panel of Goat to continue operating with the app. When the panoramic camera on the top of Goat becomes dirty, Goat records the current mowing position and automatically returns to the station. The app screen will display the status of the panoramic camera self-cleaning, and Goat will return to the last mowing location after cleaning is complete. If it rains while mowing, Goat will automatically detect the rain, record the current mowing position, and return to the station automatically. After it stops raining, Goat will return to the last mowing position and continue mowing. When Goat battery level is low, Goat records its current mowing position and then automatically returns to the station to recharge. When the battery is charged to 80%, Goat will return to the last mowing position and continue mowing. Goat will automatically return to charge once mowing is complete.